Get you a gout. Definition: to make you annoyed or angry. Example: I really get my gout when people talk loudly in the library. Get hold of something. Definition: to find someone or obtain something. Example: could you get hold of some extra chairs for the meeting? Getting someone here. Definition: to annoy someone, usually by being present at the time. Example: my little brother is always getting in my hair when I am trying to study. Getting on the act. Definition: to take advantage of something that someone else started. Example: the local shop soon got in on the act and began selling the same items. Get in. Definition: to be punished for something you did. Example: don't worry, she'll get it when you explain it again. Get it through your thick head. Definition: to cause to someone to understand something. Example: I can't believe you still don't get it through your thick head that she doesn't like you. Get it together. Definition: to get something organized. Example: I need to get it together before the presentation starts. Get lost. Definition: used to send someone forcefully and quite rudely to go away. Example: that salesman wouldn't stop talking, so I told him to get lost. Get your money's worth. Definition: to receive good value for something you have paid for. Example, the tickets were expensive, but we definitely got our money's worth from the concert. Get something off your chest. Definition: to express something that has been worrying you and that you have wanted to say. Example, you will feel better when you get that off your chest. Get off the ground. Definition: to start. Example, the new business idea is finally getting off the ground. Get on someone's nerves. Definition: to annoy someone a lot. Example, his constant humor really gets on my nerves. Get something out of your system. Definition: to do something enough so that you do not want to do it any longer. Example, I had to go on a long run to get it out of my system. Get over something. Definition: to return to your usual state of health or happiness after having a bad or unusual experience or an illness. Example, you will get over the disappointment soon enough. Get result. Definition: succeed. Example, if we work harder, we can get result by next week. Get rid of something. Definition: to remove or throw away something unwanted. Example, we should get rid of the broken furniture before moving. Get somewhere. Definition: to make progress toward a goal. Example, after years of effort, he is finally getting somewhere with his research. Get the better of someone. To defeat someone in the competition. Example, Her emotion got the better of her and she started crying. Get the hang of something. Definition: to learn how to do something. Example: when you get the hang of it, baking bread easily. Get the message. Definition: to understand what someone is trying to tell you, even if that person is not expressing themselves directly. Example: after the meeting, everyone got the message about being on time. Get this show on the road. Definition: to begin an activity that you have planned. Example: let's get this show on the road and start the event. Get to the bottom of something. Definition: to discover the truth about a situation. Example: I am determined to get to the bottom of what went wrong. Get under your skin. Definition: to make you annoyed or angry. Example: his Socrates comments really get under my skin. Get underway. Definition: to begin to happen. Example: the project is finally getting underway after months of delay. Get up on the wrong side of the bed. Definition: to wake up in a bad mood. Example: she must have got up on the wrong side of the bed, judging by her mood this morning. In next tutorial, I will bring you idioms English language with meaningful lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.